Hello guys, how are you all? In this video we'll talk about the best electronic insect killers. The insects like mosquitoes causes harmful and deadly diseases. To get rid of these mosquitoes, we use chemicals or pesticides or mosquito foils which in turn harm us. So usage of these electronic mosquito killers or insect killers is a very effective thing. It kills the flying insects without harming the environment. So let us start the video. The first is FlowTron electronic insect killer. So this electronic killer features a UV light and an electric grid that eliminates thousands of flying pests or insects and mosquitoes also. So this is very decorative lantern, even doubles the security and gives the lightning to you. So it has added option of octanol cartridges which are used to improve the effectiveness of these lanterns. Let us know the pros and cons of these lantern. The pros: the zapper has an attractive design that will fit in with your outdoor space. You can match the size of the product to your space. It is both child and pet proof for the safe operation. The grid stays clear to prevent clogging. It's simple to use and maintain. It comes with a 2-year warranty. The only con is the problem with this electronic lantern is the optional cartridges that are used to improve the effectiveness, and they are expensive. The HuntBug Zapper and Fly Killer. This HuntBug Zapper features a 2 high-intensity 10-watt ultraviolet bulbs that attract all the insects into it, and when the insects come in contact with the extremely powerful high-voltage electrically charged metal grid, that kills it. So it kills limitless amount of insects including mosquitoes. So let us know the pros and cons of this device. The pros: it is affordable and it is inexpensive to operate with 2 10-watt bulbs. It is virtually maintenance free and it runs quietly without disturbing you. Its thinner design means that you can hang it wherever you feel comfortable. The cons are: the coverage is limited. It can cover up to only 6,000 square feet, and the design is unattractive, maybe not suitable to your interiors or exteriors of your building. The stylish Hunt electronic lamp to kill the insects and mosquitoes. So this lamp features an ultraviolet bulb and an electric grill to attract the insects, mosquitoes and kill them. And this lamp is designed to spread light in all 4 directions, thus being effective for a large area up to 600 square feet. So this lamp is perfect for homes, offices, kitchens, restaurants, schools, hospitals, etc. So this lamp protects and prevents against all annoying and disease-carrying flies and insects. Let us know the pros and cons of this. The pros: it has an attractive design that is only 10 x 6 inches. It is versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. It is inexpensive to use. It has 360-degree coverage, yet is pet and child proof. The grid is non-clogging for continuous operation. The only con is it is more expensive for outdoor use considering its smaller coverage range. So all the links of these electronic mosquito killers or insect killers are given in the description. You can buy from there. So this is the best top 3 mosquito killers or insect killers we can buy on Amazon. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.